Ka kanhun mintri ka sarkar jala ha ka santrik jamang kala ai ka jingmenjur bentung kampurano eki kendai pu prangot kinong troi adho ki balathung haswa kalai poetrik no pra arajar nyong. Ka kinhun mintri ka jala kala menjur bentung kampurano eki nong troi adho ki balathung kam haswa kalai poetrik no pra arajar nyong. Bat kani ka dei ka wan ka balai ong umintri bat nong ai ktin ka sarkar MDA uba wailat miki shla haba kiran shakilat thai kubor hadin ka jingalang. Ula ong bakidan kendai pu prangut kinong troy na kitanat baper ha ka ba katanat ka koi ka kya ka dei ka babun tam. Ha ka ni ka kinti ka bamenta ka jingdon ki kerteng ki bawan shangi na ka benta bentung kampura ka long kendai pu prangun. Kidei na kitanat baper bat kambun kidei na katanat ka koi ka kya. Kidan hadu san pu san ngut tang na ka ni katanat ula ong. Haba jubab ya ke jingkeli baya de ba ka jingkata ya ka platingka namar ka ni ka rai uba wailat ula ong makam dan satya ka no ka jingkata. Ula batai da ka baong ba kini ginong trei ki dei ki bala syakri lupa hakikam ki bala mang ni sanction post bat yuak pedang ya ka tulap ki batrei regular. Pidei ban sngotho ba kila trei lupa hakikam ki bala mang kumtai kila sei lupa ya ka skill pe kum kinong trei sorkar Henry ka shulong ba ka jingthong kam hakate ka puar ka long da ka adhok laong. Kumta kan omdan satya ka no ka jingta ya ka plating ka na maringi shupen scam ya ka jing shakri ka jongki ula benram.
In ad hoc employee, this time the numbers which came to us for the regularization is 98. There are different departments, but majorly it was from the health department. It was all other department, but majorly I think around 55 of them were from the health department.
How is the financial involvement?
No, the financial, because see, this is you should understand. This is they are already working on the sanction post, so they are already drawing scale pay, everything as a government employee. But it's just that the appointment was during that time was not accordingly. So that's why this time there is no financial implication. We are just regularizing them.